So you have a website and you want to know how to make money with your website. You're stuck at a crossroads and everything that you seem to do to make money from your website isn't working. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, stop worrying because I have the solution for you. Here's the website system that you have been looking for. So stop everything. You have to listen to this. This is what's going to make you make money with your website. Don't try to sell a complicated business opportunity that you will only create stress and confusion. Get rid of that. Keep it simple. That's what we need nowadays. We are so busy with everything else that's going around. We need simplicity. If you want to keep your prices affordable by staying anywhere between $5 to $25, then choose the right market niche for your business. That's simple, right? Well, what you need to do is sell a high quality product or marketing system that truly, absolutely works. All you have to do is create a mini site that is attractive to the eye and straight to the point about the product or service that you're selling. And this is the most important tip of all, okay? Listen to this. Advertise your site to the right people. That is real traffic. Stop getting yourself out there to just anybody who's going to listen, because you're going to bring people to your website that have no interest whatsoever with what you're selling. This is the best thing that you're going to come across, okay? There is no need to know any HTML at all. No web hosting fees off the bat. No need to spend a cent on a domain name that you know nothing about. No FTP program required. All that's just so confusing. No uploading files, okay? This is a simple copy and paste technology with integration of a payment method of your choice. Whatever you choose, it's up to you. And that's what simplicity is all about, is choosing what works for you, what's affordable, and that it's easy to understand. You can easily insert videos, photos, images, forms, and so many other features that are in need of getting people to your website that are interested in your website. If you want to know how to make money with your website, then you have to check out Gragon6.com. That's GRAGONSIX.com.